Hey guys, had a customer ask. They purchased a mini fridge. They said it was making a gurgling noise or like a water noise. It should sound something like this. What that noise is, that's the refrigerant circulating through the system. It's perfectly normal. To make a long story short, basically Freon is either a liquid or a gas, and what you're hearing is the gas actually boiling off as it circulates through the system. It's perfectly normal, and as long as your food is nice and cold, you're hitting 0 in the freezer and 37 in the fridge, or roughly within a couple degrees of that, it's perfectly fine and nothing to worry about. There are no problems.